What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. So I'm out at this food trailer doing a little install, working on a few things. I'm in Dearmont, Arkansas right now, and I gave the guy a bid on doing his framing to get the basics up. There goes some of the wood he used. See, I got it started. He actually didn't get enough. I told him how much to get, but he said they didn't have no more available at the time. So we got to finish the roof and the little sides here. Pretty much won't take that long to finish doing insulation at the top. But this is where we at right now. So I'm here getting my hog on. The goal is to have him lined out so that way he can start his food business and get things off the ground. He been waiting on it for a while, messing with it here and there, but they actually built this one. So it's a guy that kind of custom built this one. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. He got a good solid structure. He should be able to go and start networking and getting the bag soon. So my goal is to help him complete this so that way we can take it to that next level. But for now, this is where we at, family. Getting our hog on. Utilizing the time. Can't lie to you and tell you it has been one of those weeks where you got to regroup and go back and focus and try to, maneuver the best way you can. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out here working on this today. Hopefully, my goal was to be finished today, but he didn't have all the stuff, so I couldn't finish it even if I wanted to. So I'll be falling back on this, but like I say, today has been one of them days we're just trying to get something done and just regroup and to another door open, family. It's always about networking, but you always have to plant seeds, and you have to come to a point where you really know what direction you want to go in. Sometimes it get hazy, and you're like, man, is this the direction? Is that the direction? And then you have to fall back really to regroup and find your way. So today, like I say, I'm working on this food trailer, but it's also been therapeutic too. Got me at the house, networking on this, trying to open up another door, taking my time, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, but I most definitely see things coming together. It just takes time, He should have a nice food trailer when it's all said and done. He gonna have something nice over here. He'll be able to get out there and start serving, man, making some money. So that's the goal. Kill several birds with one stone. Getting a hog on.